dili ko nakagawas sa kwan kasi nagbagyo man diri sa Florida, and then when I found out that my small garden it's been pesticide by the insects, so I've been doing a search because I don't like to use a chemical to spray on them because I want everything is organic. So what I did, I have an empty bottle, and then I put some vinegar on it. You can use any kind of vinegar, but I have apple cider. That's what I do. That's what I use, and then dishwashing liquid, and then just put it together in one bottle, and then mix it with the water. Yan, tingnan nyo mga langga. So kailangan haluan talaga ng water kasi nga yung apple cider vinegar is already acid, so just add some of it yung ating liquid soap and then mix it. Now it's ready to use to our vegetable or any plants, and I already put some label just to be sure it is mixed by the vinegar and liquid soap. So as you can see, I'm here now in my small garden mga langga. Tingnan mo yung mga dahon kinain talaga ng mga uod kasi nga once umuulan-ulan talagang ganyan ang mangyari sa mga plants natin, no? Kinakain nila yung mga dahon, and we have to be sure yung mga naka-wrinkle or you can naka-fold ng mga dahon, situate ninyo na ma-inspection kasi doon sila nagtatago mga langga. You see, it's been hiding there kasi nga umuulan kaya nagtatago at yan ginagawa nilang pagkain ang mga dahon-dahon ng ating mga halaman. So you have to be sure also langga, after you spray this, you have to be sure na mahugasan po ng water ang mga dahon kasi kung hindi po magda-dry out po yung mga dahon ng ating mga halaman. So see, it's not even 1 minute langga, nakita nyo patay na yung mga uod, kaya it's easy to use it. So makikita ninyo yan sa inyong mga kusina, and do it by yourself to avoid chemical or to avoid some expenses. Kaya madali lang din gamitin mga langga. Kaya tingnan mo, talagang patay sila lahat, not even 1 minute. Okay, this is it for today mga langga.